Welcome back to the Uprise, everyone. I know it's been a little while, and I just wanted to touch base with everyone and let you know what's been happening. So I've been working on another project. Part of our journey is to better ourselves and better our life, and to keep pushing ourselves forward and continue to grow and really achieve what we want in life. That's the goal here. So that's what I'm trying to do, and I hope that's what you're doing too. Over this last summer, I've been doing a lot of work here to create a nice creative space to not only provide additional content for you, but to support the other thing that I'm working on. What is the other thing I'm working on, you might ask? It's another YouTube channel as well as a companion website. The YouTube channel name is Learn Audio Basics. Some of you who are subscribed here might have already subbed over there, and I really appreciate that. Thank you. This channel and website is dedicated to helping creators like myself, as well as you, have the best audio quality possible for their content, and you can check it out here. If that's something you're into or you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. What does this all mean for this channel? What this means for this channel is that this channel will only get better. However, it's going to take some time to really establish myself and to build this website and this YouTube channel. So what that's going to force me to do is take a little break here, just as I've done already. My focus has to be on supporting my family and producing results that benefit us as a family, as well as my viewers, my subscribers, and anyone out there creating that needs help with their audio. If you yourself know anyone that needs help with their audio, shoot them over to Learn Audio Basics. I'd appreciate it. Obviously, you don't have to do anything like subscribe, watch, or share. That is totally up to you. I don't want to push that at you guys. Anything you've done so far for me means the world to me, and I really appreciate you guys. And I just hope that you're staying safe out there and continuing to push on. Do continue to look forward to content on this channel. It will happen, and it will get better over time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, this is Tony with Peasant Uprising, and I'll catch you in the next video. All right. Just a recap and a